everybody, welcome to Inkwell. My name is Somi and today we are going to look at pronunciation of few words. Let's get started. The first word is C-O-N-T-E-N-T. This particular word can be used as an adjective and noun, but the pronunciation of this particular word for adjective and noun is different. Let's see. Now, when you want to use this word C-O-N-T-E-N-T as noun, you're going to say content. Content. And if you want to use it as an adjective, you must say content. Content. Notice the difference. Content. Content. His content is pretty good. I am contented with his work. So, this is the first one. Remember how to use it. When you're using it as a noun, content. When you're using it as an adjective, content. Now the next word. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. It's onion. It's not onion. It's onion. Remember that. Okay? Next word. F-I-V-E. Five. 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 It's 5 o'clock. V sound. So you need to pronounce it correctly, not 5. Give me 5 rupees. Give me 5 rupees. Alright? Now the next word. G-I-V-E. Give? No, it's not give. It's give. Again, V sound. Alright? Give. Give me a glass of water. Give. Now the next word is S-A-I-D. Said? No, it's not said. It's said. Said. He said. Let's look at the next word now. A-H-E-A-D. Ahead? No, it's ahead. Not ahead. Ahead. He is ahead of his time. Okay? Not ahead. Ahead. And the final word, E-P-I-T-O-M-E. Epitome? No, it's not epitome. It's epitome. Epitome. Okay? Remember the pronunciation of these words, and from now onwards, try to pronounce it correctly. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a like, share it with your friends or family members, hit the bell notification icon, and subscribe. See you soon.